Hey everybody, it's Music Therapy Laz here with Roxy, our cute little unboxing partner, buddy, whatever you want to call her. Yes, that's right, unboxing time. Hopefully you can't make out an address from that. I doubt it. Anyway, so we got something in the mail. Why am I wearing this hooded thing? I don't know. Kind of chilly in the house. But yeah, I've got Roxy here to help me unbox because we got something special. Came in the mail today. Really excited about this. I did get a couple other things, by the way. Check these out. So these little Wise or Wiz cameras are actually meant to be used as security cameras, right? But I'm gonna try to use them as like still shot kind of 10p, 1080p cameras for doing demos. So we're going to see if that works with the A10 Mini. I think it's going to work. So we'll see, but I'm going to try it. I've got 3 of them. I'm also expecting a Logitech, I guess they're the C922 Pro. No, you can't go down there, Roxy. No. She wants to hibernate. Yeah, you can go in the hood. That's why I got the hood on, so she can go behind the hood. There you go. There you go. You can go in the hood, Roxy. She wants to get in her cozy spot because it's not really late yet. It's like around 4:30 here in California. But I wanted to do this unboxing because one of the winners, Chaos Mike, I'm giving away your name. Mike, only your first name. Mike of 2019 Chaos Music. He did win early on in the giving season here. It was way earlier on. Before I did the giveaway thing. Actually, he answered a question that I put at the end of a description in one of my videos, and I said, hey, if you read the description, I'm wondering how many people read them, if you read the description, you win something. And I wasn't sure what it was going to be, and I figured it would be like a pack of strings or something like that, right? But then he was bold. He was bold enough to ask me for this. Let me grab it. He was bold enough to ask me, because he saw this sitting there somewhere, for this Digitech Trio pedal. Bold. You were bold, my friend. And your boldness paid off. Because it's about a $150 pedal. Online you can find them new for about $150. However, I've seen some used ones go around $85, $90. Truth be told, I bought this during Black Friday 2 or 3 years ago. I think 3 years ago. For $50. They were being Black Friday dealed out by, I think, Pro Audio Star, where I just received something that's going to replace this. So, okay, even $50, it's a lot of money to give away, and I gave away way more than that in the last giveaway. I gave away a whole bunch of cool pedals. Each one was worth around $25, $30. Some of the shipping on some of this stuff might cost the same as those things, but it's still all fun. And I'm sending like little congrats cards and little, it's going to be cool. You guys are going to enjoy it. So all in the holiday spirit. But anyway, so I'm going to give this to you, Mike, and I do have your address. For whatever reason, I thought I didn't have it because it was so deep in my emails, and I just put 2019 Chaos into my email, query search, and up you popped. And so I don't have your address yet. Send me your address, dude, so I can send this to you. So I'm not going to hold you to the midnight, Sunday evening tonight, midnight deadline. But everyone else out there who has won something, and I think there's only a couple stragglers that are just going to not get a pack of strings. I guess they don't care. But if you still want your pack of strings or whatever it is that you won, and you haven't emailed me at MusicTherapyLaz@gmail.com, simple, I'm gonna give your present away to somebody else during the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway thing, which I'm gonna probably do next weekend. So I'm thinking about doing that next Saturday or Sunday. I'm thinking about taking Sandra Picorni's communication breakdown 6 p.m. slot on Saturday because she said she's not doing one next week. But I'm gonna double check with her. But anyway, if she's not doing her show at 6 p.m. next Saturday, then I will do the giveaway then because it's gonna be before Johnny Bean's Saturday night live show anyway. So let's commence with the unboxing, right? Here we go. Box. Can't show the address. It's hiding it. Anyway, and so some other bit of good news is I am expecting that webcam, so that's going to be good to have that. It seems like my my phone here, depending on what's going on here, it changes like the brightness and stuff, what it's trying to capture here. So, oh my goodness. Lots of paper. Lots of paper. When I get a deal on some drumsticks, I always like to get a pack. So I got these Zildjian. I can't even say it. Zildjian. See, I'm still saying it wrong. Zildjian. Jeez. Zildjian drumsticks. Say that 5 times real fast. So I got these. These are the 5B Select Hickory ones because I do like to play drums. I like to play acoustic drums at my cousin's house when I can. And I've been really dreaming about buying like a little electric kit over here too. But I don't want to get a super cheap one like one of those Simmons or whatever. I don't know. I gotta try them out. But you know, now we're gonna be on lockdown again. So good luck with that. But here's the main thing. Oh. The Trio Plus, that's right, get loopy with it. Band Creator, and the reason I wanted this one over the other trio, where'd the other trio go? Is because this one doesn't have Latin beats and rhythms, and it doesn't have metal beats and rhythms, and then also trying to use this with a looper was rather challenging, and obviously wouldn't you want to do more than just 3 parts of a song and loop some things into it, right? Well, the Trio Plus, of course, if you've not been under a rock, you would know that it does have Latin beats, it has metal beats, and probably some other extras in here as well. Yeah, it has E-pop, which I guess is EDM, which I'm not interested in. But anyway, yeah, it has several more. So let's see, blues, pop. Oh, okay, this has R&B, so does that one. Let's see, Latin, jazz, so R&B, country, not interested. So yeah, hip-hop, E-pop, and then I guess metal are the newbies on this, which is really, really cool. So I'm looking forward to that. And of course, you've got the 12 styles. You've got, you know, the loop and the volume on the loop and all. And you have 5 separate parts. So see those little green lights along the top in the middle there? Those are the separate parts that you can do. And there's some other advantages of this over that. But of course, normally this goes for like 300 something, right? I think when they first came out, they were $2.99 if you can get a deal, or 3 something. And I got a great deal on this at Pro Audio Star this past Black Friday. So I think they're still on sale there. So check them out if you're interested. They're under 300. They're around 240, 250 something, I believe. So let's open it up. What's in the box? So very nice little box that it comes in, right? Of course, I'll have to look for the box for that thing and all the instructions for it, and the power source that the original trio came with. I'm sure this comes with a. Power source as well. Roxy's just hiding during this whole unboxing. She's not even visible. Roxy, come out. Come out. Roxy, come out, my little one. She doesn't want to come out. I'm gonna bring her out. Want her to be in the shot. Because you're the star, Roxy. You're the star of the show. That's right. There you go. Tell us what you think of the trio pedal. She just runs away from anything musical. She runs away from. Unless I'm playing the music, then she chirps to it. So let's not drop it onto the table here first time around. So you got your little instructions, quick things. You know, don't get electrocuted stuff. And in this part here we have the power supply section. Comes in a nice little box. So boxes on top of boxes here. And of course, it's got all the different various European and different countries. You know, all the different stuff you can plug into. And there you go. I'm sure it's not a 9-volt, but it looks like that kind of a plug. What does it say on here? It says, ooh, I can't read that small of letters. Cannot read that small of lettering. Let's see, what does it say here? Nothing on that side either. So yeah, the lettering here is way too small for me to read. But anyway, we'll see whatever voltage it is. The main thing is we got all the possible needed accessories for that. So yeah, real excited to get this pedal. This is my Christmas present for myself this year. You know, we're gonna slum it a little bit this year compared to previous years. obviously because of COVID and the lack of the big money coming in, making bucks. But we are making little bucks here and there, and that's keeping us fed and all that. So I'm going to put this back into the box for now, because I'm going to have the time to properly go through all this stuff. I'm going to put that away. So just one more reminder. This is just another reminder video. If you have won something on my giveaway, please contact me by midnight tonight. You have till midnight tonight to send me your email to MusicTherapyLaz@gmail.com. MusicTherapyLaz, all in one word. MusicTherapyLaz@gmail.com. I have it in the descriptions. I'll put it in this description too. And let me see. I have my list here. So far, I think it was either, was it the Dog Paw or Hobo Roadie? I think it was Dog Paw that won. Was it? Yeah, Dog Paw said he'll give his strings to Dale Palmer. So I'm going to give Dale Palmer won the Delta Labs Heavy Metal 1 distortion pedal that I got from Crawlbar. Crawlbar sent that to me. I got my list here. And yeah, I think the only other people that haven't contacted me is, I think Clive 54 says, don't worry about it. You don't need to send me the strings. But if you want the strings and some pics and, like, you know, a little congrats card from Music Therapy Laz here and Roxy, then why not, right? And I think it is a Hobo Roadie. Also got some D'Addario XLs, a D'Addario, and Blackjack Guitar Nut. I think you guys are the only ones, you two, are the only ones that I haven't heard from. I think maybe even, Don Beckett, did you send me your email? I don't think you have. I think Don Beckett needs to send me for his acoustic strings. So anyway, please send me your info so I can send you your stuff. And then in about a week, next weekend, we're going to do the 12 Days of Christmas holiday musicians gear ideas or tips, you know, kind of like what you should probably buy or recommend to others to buy for musicians in your family. So there's going to be a variety of gear ideas there that I posted something like that up last year as well. It was a lot of fun. So I just kind of scour what's out there to see what are really good deals and just make some obvious suggestions of things like, you know, you can always use another clip-on Unitune from TC Electronics or things like that, you know, guitar cable. Anyone can use a, you know, 10 or 15-foot guitar cable, right? So things like that, even if you don't know the string gauge of the person that you are purchasing for, you can always get like a gift card or something like that for somebody, or contact one of these online retailers or a local store, a local mom and pop place. Just go in there and say, hey, can I get a gift card for, you know, a musician in my family, and then they can just come and purchase this stuff or purchase it online. So anyway, those are my ideas for now, but you will see a lot more ideas and like direct links and stuff in my description of that video to some of the things you can look at purchasing if you need to get some last minute gifts for some musicians in your life. So until next time, which will probably be next week, unless we do a Where is Frankenvan video, which might happen. Might happen. Music Therapy Laz and Roxy here, saying goodnight. Rock on.